Foot on the brake pedal, then right foot. Pull the right paddle once towards you, that's first gear. Just use the tips of your fingers out. So you're in first gear. Gently squeeze the accelerator pedal now then, and just take us forwards. Keep both hands on the wheel. That's it. Through those two blue cones in front of you. That's it. Good, nice and smooth. Keep feeding it in. And what you do is leave your foot on the accelerator and pull the right paddle for second gear. Good. Keep building your power through the blues. Just head towards the white line. Keep feeding it in, buddy. Nice and clear. That's it. Cross the white line. Up another gear. Lovely. Keep accelerating. Nice and straight. Then down the left-hand side of the track. Keep accelerating, buddy. Up another gear. Keep going dead straight. All the way down to the blue board at the end there. Up another gear. Good. Keep going. Keep going. Start braking nice and smooth now, and drop it down one with the left hand. Off your brake now, turn to yellow, stay in that gear, just accelerate and follow the white Ferrari car, off you go. Good, follow the white line on the left, keep accelerating, up a gear, keep it on the left hand side, keep going buddy, up another gear, lovely. Now start braking and aim for the white board on the left then. Down one with the left hand. Stay in that gear for us, sister, and keep it to the blue board on your left. Now to the middle. Now accelerate. This car will stick like glue. Bring it round for yellow. Follow the orange Lamborghini. Good. Accelerate up the hill then. Go on, off you go. Up a gear. Keep on the right hand side. Good. No need to brake here, so just aim for the turn board. When you get level with it, turn to yellow. And then accelerate out to the next yellow on the far side. Good. We're going to overtake this Ferrari now. Go on, put your boot down. Go on, give it some beans. Go on, I'm with you. Up the gear. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Start braking now. Hard on your brakes. Round the yellow. Good. Down to where the orange Lambo is. Lift off a little bit. No braking, just turn tight to the right. That's it. Good, well done. Let the car drift naturally to the middle of the track. Keep your power up. Follow the guy in front. We've got more power, so that's it. More power. Good, now go. Lovely. Off you go. Up a gear. Up a gear. Nice firm braking, Lewis. When you push that brake down a bit further, downwards. Down one more. Turn in, off your brake now. Back on the gas again, keep the turn going. Off you go, off you go. Follow the white line, keep going. That's it, stay in that gear, is it? Just lift off and brake. Aim for the white board. Down just once, stay to the left. Off the brake now, but stay left, off the brake. That's it. Now to the middle. Now accelerate for yellow. Feed your power in. Join the two yellows together, 1 and 2. Good, and then back across. Lovely. Up a gear, stay in that gear, keep the power on, keep going. No need to brake, just aim for the turn. Lovely. Turn to yellow. Put your power in now for the yellow on the right. That's it, good. Up a gear. Start braking. Down one. Down again. Off the brake now. Turn in. Stay on the left hand side. Great drive, mate. Well done. Drive that really well. Thank you very much. Just stay to the left now. The gears will drop down by themselves now, so you don't need to worry about your gears, okay? Just keep it to the left. Let it roll back in the pit lane. And it's just right foot braking this, and the car won't stall, okay, buddy? How was that?
Very, very nice.
Good. You drive really well, really well.
Thank you.
Very smooth.
Is your instructions anyway? Like, good
Well,
instructions?
yeah, I've been doing it a long time, so hopefully I'll try and. It's trying to make things as clear as possible, just beyond the blue BMW there. Because obviously, you've got a bit of speed on, so it's trying to give people advance warning on everything that you're telling them to do, not telling them, when it's about to happen. A bit further down. So I'll try and use visual things. Stop it there. You aim for that cone there. Aim for that cone. Tap you on the hand when it's a change down, so you know exactly when to change. Because that's half the battle. It's being in the right gear.
Yeah.
But you did really well. Both paddles together now. That'll give you neutral. That's it, leave your engine running. Well done, I enjoyed that. You've done very well.
Thanks.
Now what you do now is carry that forward into your next car. Your track lines were really good, you got all that sorted out, no problem. You got Porsche next, that's a nice car to drive.
Can I just take a picture with
Of course
the
you
phone
can,
from
mate,
the
yeah, of
inside?
course you can.